Hi guys, it's me, Rachel again. Today our story is What the Ladybird Heard. Written by Julia Nelson, pictures by Lydia Monk. Let's begin. What the Ladybird Heard. Looks like a nice piece of farm. Nice piece of farm. That's a picture. Nice piece of farm. That's another picture. Here we begin. Snap! Once upon a farm. Now, let's go into the story and snap. Once upon a farm lived a fat red hen, a duck in a pond, a goose in a pen, a woolly sheep, a hairy hog, a handsome horse, and a dainty dog.
A cat that meowed, and a cat that purred, a fine prize cow, and a ladybird.
That was my friend Olive. This is the ladybird. So tiny. Can you see it? Now let's turn the page. Number 8. And the cow went moo. And the hen said cluck, 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 cluck. Hiss, said the goose. And quack, 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 said the duck. Neigh, said the horse. Oink, said the hog. Bah, said the sheep. Hey, look, that's a mat. And woof, said the dog. And one cat meowed, and the other purred. Now let's turn into the next page. And the ladybird said never a word. Do you know what that means? The ladybird never said a word.